So if you want to buy a business, if you want to sell your business, you need to find the counterparty. And if you don't have an extensive network of private equity firms or niche buyers, family offices, or strategic companies similar to the one that you're buying or selling, if you don't have that network, many times you'll need to resort to listing with a business broker or trying to list your business for sale on a website, sort of a brokerage or a listing website. And those are typically the two options if you want to sort of force a sale or if you're actively going to find a company to acquire. Now, of course, there's plenty of ways to sort of organically engage in a transaction, networking, referrals, things like that. But if you want to truly go and buy a company or sell your company rather quickly, meaning in the next 3 to 6 to even 12 months, a lot of very small business owners, under $1 to $2 million will list their businesses on these websites. So that's what this blog post covers. So the 3 sites we're going to cover very quickly here in this blog post are BizQuest.com, BizBuySell.com, and BusinessesForSale.com. So let's jump into these sites in this particular order. So BizQuest allows you to first search for businesses or franchises for sale. So let's just go through and do a quick search for companies in New York, and let's try to find a technology type of company. Work with a lot of tech firms here, software, internet, and others. So let's just click on these 3 and let's do a quick broad search for New York technology businesses for sale. And here we go. You can see a couple dozen businesses. We don't want to set up alerts just yet. 43 results right now on this website. And of course, there's many, many other websites. Let's just see what you're going to get here. You're going to get a distribution warehouse. Guess you could call that technology. You've got a SaaS company here, digital marketing and SEO tools that tell you how much revenue it's doing. You've got a web conferencing business. You've got a couple software businesses, a SaaS business, distribution warehouse, and of course, as you click in here, let's find an interesting one. Let's go to see what this one is. This is by far a small business. You're looking at $144,000 in cash flow, revenue of $450 and an asking price of $402, and they are represented by a broker, so you won't be able to see the company's name and any other details about it. But here's how it works, and you can very easily go and identify companies that you're interested in. So this is BizQuest.com. Let's close out. BizBuySell. I like this a bit more. It gives you, I think, quite a bit more granular search criteria. So let's just go through and take a look at the same type of search, which would be technology companies, online and tech. They've got 6 categories in online and tech. Let's save changes. Let's just see what happens here in New York. We'll save these changes. You can also look at price range and cash flow. So I'd like to look at profitable businesses. So let's just make sure that this business is doing at least, let's say, $100,000 in cash flow. And we'll do a search. And just in New York, 58 results from businesses that are doing over $100,000 in cash flow. And here's the same business we saw on the other listing site. So these are all not going to be unique to this particular site. A lot of these guys will list their businesses, and the brokers will list the businesses across multiple platforms. Here's a 17-year-old. This is the same business, a web conferencing business. It's been in business for 17 years. We saw these listings in the other website as well. Here's an FBA business. Here's e-commerce. Here's an affiliate and advertising business. Ton of businesses for sale. This is BizBuySell. And so here's businessesforsale.com. Make sure you type in us.businessesforsale. And let's see if we can find a technology company. Here's internet businesses. They have about 470 for sale. Totally different format than the other websites. But I'm sure as we click in, you'll be able to see. Let's find a technology company, Popular categories. I guess they're not going to give us the granular level search detail that we're looking for compared to the other 2 websites. So let's just look at this drugstore. Here's a $400,000 asking price, $1.7 million revenue, $163,000 in cash flow business. Same type of details, very generic. Have the opportunity to contact the broker. And as you do that, you need to complete a form, and the broker will reach out to you to assess your interest. So similar to the MLS where for real estate where, of course, you can go here list your businesses for sale. I just find it very interesting to go through and get an idea of the valuations of certain type of businesses, particularly technology businesses. So again, whether you want to buy a bar, a cleaning company, a generic testing business as this one is, or if you want to find a franchise, these 3 websites will help you get started.